Assalamu alaikum playgroup Tulip. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and having a great time at home. This is Miss Mahavish, your playgroup Tulip teacher. So teach students, today we are going to learn in English. And what we are going to learn in English? We are going to learn a new sound, and that is अपने दोनों लिप्स को ज्वाइन करिए, थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेस दीजिए एंड raise your voice. And let's see who are the friends of the Okay. Mango. 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 Mat. 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 Man. 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 Okay students, मैंगो कौन कौन मैंगो खाता है? आई नो सब मैंगो खाते हैं और आई होप कि सब मैंगो का वेट कर रहे हैं, है ना स्टूडेंट्स? ओके, एंड व्हाट इज़ मैट? मैट क्या होता है? जो हम फ्लोर पर बिछाते हैं, जो हम क्लास में भी बिछाते थे, रिमेंबर, जिस पे टीचर भी आपके साथ बैठती थी और हम सर्कल टाइम करते थे. मैन, जो आपके फादर होते हैं, जो बड़े अंकल होते हैं, उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? मैन. और से क्या आता है? मून. मून. मंकी. मंकी. और उनसे मार्शमेलो भी आता है. ओके, आप लोग खाते हैं ना? बट दैट इज़ नॉट हेल्दी. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ वी विल सी हाउ वी विल राइट ओके. Come down, go up, make a hop, come up, another hop, turn a little, and now students we will see in mango where is let's see. In mango we will find, here it is, mango. And where is in mat, where is can you find it? Okay, here it is, mat. And man. Yes, here it is, man. Man. So students, do you see how many we have? Okay, now this is your homework that you are going to trace it and practice writing on your slates. ठीक है, आप मामा को बोलिएगा आपको अच्छे से डॉट्स डाल के देंगी, तो आप लोग जो है वो उनकी प्रैक्टिस कीजिएगा. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, और उनसे और क्या क्या वोकैबुलरीज आती हैं ये भी आप जो है वो सोच के रखिएगा. ठीक है, और एक और चीज़ भी उनसे आती है जो बहुत मज़े मज़े से आप लोग खाते हैं और लंच में भी लाते हैं. गेस व्हाट? मैगी. यस, नाउ रिमेंबर, इसी तरह आपने उनसे चीज़ें सोचनी है. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, टेक आउट योर इंग्लिश बुक, ओपन पेज नंबर 6464 and page number 65. Now we are going to do the word. Now students, page number 64, you have to mention the date, and this is your homework. You have to trace it over here. You have to color the moon and the mango. And look what he is painting. He is also painting a beautiful moon. Now it's a challenge for you that you also have to color the moon very neatly and beautiful. Okay, and you have to read all the vocabularies starting with monkey, moon, mango. Okay, students, now move on to the page number 65. Now, as usual, you have to write down the date, CW, and let's start the work. Your let should be sharp, and you are going to start. Go down, come up, make a hop, come up, make another hop, make another hop, and turn a little. Milk. Yes, इनसे मिल्क भी आता है और आप लोग सब मिल्क पीते हैं ना. Yes, milk makes our bones strong. Okay, now another practice of writing. Go down, come up, make a hop, come up, make another hop, and see how it is easy. It's just like you all have written now you just have to make another hop and then turn a little, then it makes Okay, now again, go down, come up, make a hop, come up, make another hop, turn a little, again, come down, go down, come up, make a hop. Oh, I have mistaken. Now, make a hop, come up, make another hop, turn a little. Yes. So students, I hope you all learned the sound very well, and I hope you all learned the vocabulary of very well. One more time we are going to revise. Mango, mat, man. Okay students, now close your books and keep it aside. Now we are going towards our sight reading. Now students, our today's sight reading word is Ali, 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 Ali. Okay students, I hope you all learned the sight reading words. Keep watching video again and again. तब तक के लिए अपने इंशाल्लाह ताला we will meet you very soon. तब तक के लिए अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा. Take care. अल्लाह.